What's up, guys? We're in the garage. It's all three of us today. We're going to be swapping out some LEDs and how to, remove the cluster of the IS300. We're going to get right into it. It's going to be a lot of like this view, so be ready for like a lot of this. Yeah, whole lot.
Macro lens?
Yeah, whole lot. Wait, I don't think we're in.
You not in it? Come on, bro. Spit on it.
You
see that video? Yeah, dude, that one blew my mind. The dude's face was like,
he was just
come on, man.
I don't know what video you guys are talking about.
No?
No?
We got you, bro.
Alright, there we go.
You got it? All right, cool.
Yeah.
I'll twist.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is remove the two screws from up top.
What you need is a buddy.
A real good buddy.
Real good buddy.
A real.
Is it oozing now? Is it coming out?
Guys, this is the before lighting. And this is going to be the after.
Bro, this car's pretty much inversion.
This is a lower.
Oh, shit.
There's something attached here.
Let me see. Yeah, this right here, bro. Damn, I don't got small fingers at all. Ready? Pull this side. Oh man, I gotta know. Man, what's heavier we need?
Alright. So that's how you take this piece off. It's a little bit of a struggle. Make sure you disconnect this. Then you kind of have to bend it a little to get it out. But then it pops right out.
Yeah, I'll take the camera.
Alternate angles.
There you go. Okay. Is this recording ready? Is it recording? Is it recording?
Is it recording?
Is it recording?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
You can flip the screen around. Turn the whole camera around. Coconut butter. Works well. Thank you. You gonna do it? All right. That teamwork.
Team member, the dream work. Just kidding.
Ooh, there you go. There you go. On fire. I do it on purpose. Does it say Yakuza? Yakazi. Let her away. That's the back of the cluster, guys. It pops out of that big hole. So, big hole, cluster my hands. But what we're going to be doing is taking out these tiny little LEDs. And I think the orange guy, or the orange guy.
How fast are you going?
Kinda? I don't know. What's it look like from there?
75.
Not bad. So, we're going to be swapping out these little guys. This guy, this one. Yeah, these 5. 3 big ones, 2 blue ones. Those 5. Shout out to the IS300 owners page that actually showed me how this comes off. But also, fuck them because I got banned. I'm back, though. They let me back in.
They let you back in?
Yeah. I put in, like, the questions. I'm like, admin, whatever name, was being a pussy. And they're like, fuck, submit. I might be an admin now.
The guy who submitted you.
Probably. Cool. So we're going to take out these 3 first. These should be orange ones, and then we're going to do the 2 little blue ones after that. So, these come right out. And it looks like...
Let it focus. Good.
Look like these just pop out. And then, you take the hood off of them, and you got a white bulb. However, we're not going to do that. We hit up our friends over at superbrightleds.com.
Other way.
We hit up our friends at superbrightleds.com. They mailed out a little baggie of goodies. So, we're just going to be swapping them straight. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, wait, no, that's not the bulb. Right? Yeah, that one. Fuck that one. So, we're just doing direct replacements. These just plug right in like that. Quarter turn. We're locked and loaded. I'm going to do the same thing for the next 2, and then for the little blue ones. I got too big of fingers. Cool. Ooh, those are crusty.
But also crusty.
What if these are way too bright? And this is all I can see now.
That'd be fine.
What if I just always have good selfie lighting from my cluster?
Fuck.
So, the next ones we're going to be doing are the little blue ones. I believe these are called 24s. So you just pop these off. They should just be a lot smaller version of the first ones. You know, same little orange condoms. Pop them out. Grab the replacement.
Yeah, I got those.
Oh, yeah.
Just 2 of them, right?
Yeah. There should be 3 in the box.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. Pro tip, guys. Even though you can buy super high quality products, it's always really good to have a backup on hand, just in case one don't work. So I always order 1 extra light bulb for literally everything. But, just like the first ones, direct replacement.
Dennis said, whoa, I don't like this angle.
Maybe not direct replacement. Maybe not.
Pick it up a little higher, bro.
Doesn't fit. Nope, there it goes. Never mind, we're good. Had to, you know, on it.
God damn, does it sound good?
Pop this one out. Do the same thing. Hood duking. You know, little spit on it. Pop it in. Now, before we put everything back in and put it together, we're actually going to make sure it all works first. So we're going to connect the harnesses, flick on the lights, and if we're all gravy, baby, we'll bolt it all back up and get going.
We're all gravy, baby.
We all gravy, baby. Man, I want some motherfucking business
Drug
gravy.
dealer once told me that. I don't think they have a upside down.
Yeah, everything plugged in, though?
Yeah.
There's still one plug that's not plugged in, bro.
This one?
Yeah. You never know. I'm just saying, you never know.
I'm with you, bro.
Can we get some light, though?
No, we don't need to film this one. Danny was right. Wow. Wow. Danny was right.
Hey, yo, just because I did something once, right?
Hey,
Where's the Danny's right jar? Hold up. Wait a minute. Something's right.
Hey, just because I cut my diffuser doesn't mean I'm not smart.
He said because I cut the diffuser doesn't mean I'm not smart. Oh, no.
Hold up.
Wait a minute. Danny looked at it, he goes, something's not right. It was a smelly. He's like,
That looks.
and then, you know,
good.
he could tell there wasn't something plugged in because he could taste it. So it was like a smelly taste, you know. This is dope.
That was what I meant.
Yeah, it does.
I wish I could remember how it looked.
Super clean.
It was just orange before?
It was like this.
Oh,
What's the one guy saying? Super clean, my guy. Is David? Can you bring it over? Yeah, but we got it. Oh, what the fuck? There's 2.
The 2 lights?
No, there's 2 clips. It's a decent gun for cheap that you could
Bro, it has the cover on it, too. Try.
replace anything you didn't like. Recoil.
Power once I turn that.
No, we're good. I'm going to do one of those. So, boys, you remember how I said always buy 1 extra one? Well, the extra one just came into play. This was orange like the cluster. Now it's going to be bright white. Shine bright like a diamond.
Bro, this is a complete car.
Bro, it looks so good.
That's how she broke her car, bro.
How's she breaking?
She put nitrous in that bitch.
Oh, dumb as hell.
And the dimmer works. So these LEDs said they weren't dimmable, but guess what? They are.
That shit looks nice, bro.
It looks fucking
It
lit.
really looks really nice.
Here, you take the camera so you can, oh, it's buried almost low.
So that's how it looks all lit up, guys. This is the big one, 24 WP. The other ones are called 194s, 6 volts. I'm Jeff. That's Angel. That's Danny. We're a few guys with zip ties. Catch you in 2020. Let's go!